Now, let's take a look at the access points that is part of your pre-flight, but also is part of the maintenance on the aircraft that allows servicing and connections. The external access points are found mainly on the bottom of the aircraft. Towards the front and the back, we have access points for the toilet service to empty out the toilet tanks. We also have connection points for water filling and draining of the water, which is used in both the galley and in the lavatories. We have external ground power connection found in the nose wheel bay. So when the aircraft is on the ground with the nose wheel extended, you will have a ground connection plug right there that allows electrical power to be connected to the aircraft to make it independent of the generators on the aircraft. A little bit further back in the fuselage, you will find the connection for the low pressure pneumatic system. This low pressure pneumatic system is a large round outlet that allows a ground unit to connect up to provide preconditioned air to the aircraft, making the aircraft independent of the AC system. Now, if we don't have a unit to provide air-conditioned air, we could use a high-pressure pneumatic ground connection. This is a smaller inlet found right next to the low-pressure pneumatic connection. And the high-pressure pneumatic connection allows bleed air to be connected up to the aircraft. The bleed air can be used for engine starting. It can also be used to run air conditioning, but this will require the packs on the aircraft to condition the bleed air to provide the air conditioning. Access to the hydraulic systems for the 3 reservoirs is found inside the main wheel wells. So when the doors are open and the wheel wells are visible, you'll be able to identify the hydraulic reservoirs, and here maintenance also have access to the reservoirs for servicing. On each engine, you will find under the cowling the engine oil indication as well as the filling point, and also the IDG oil and filling. Fueling on the aircraft is done with underwing high pressure refueling, means the fuel truck or the fuel connection is made under the wing on either side, and using the fuel system in the aircraft to distribute the fuel. It is therefore not necessary to connect both the left and the right wing. They can be fueled from a single point. The refueling panel used to distribute the fuel is found in the fuselage just above the main wheel well door. If high pressure underwing refueling is not possible, we also have overwing refueling caps that allows the old-fashioned fuel from the top. These refueling caps are found towards the tips of each wing on either side. The APU oil, this will be a maintenance thing, is serviced from the APU itself, which is found in the tail of the aircraft. For the oxygen system on the aircraft, the cockpit oxygen system uses a gaseous fixed oxygen system, and the pressure on that oxygen cylinder can be found and monitored via a small glass with a green disc on the left side of the fuselage.